Okay, back inside the Systems Accelerator Manager, we're going to navigate on the left-hand side back into the contact section. Now, once we're in the contact section, we can go ahead and either double click on a contact or click slide to the right and then hit this edit button. We're going to go ahead and look at these personal details. Now, personal details is a section inside of SAM that is really cool for a couple of reasons. Now, I would wager you as a real estate agent are probably gathering different personal details from your contacts as you're talking with them, what they like, what they dislike, goals, hobbies, preferences, all of these different things. As we're building relationships with them, we're gathering these pieces of information. So the personal details section is a great place to put that. So as you can see, I've just kind of put in all of the details about myself that I specifically might have learned as I just communicated with them. Now, you don't have to put it in any fancy order. You don't even need to comma separate that. Sam should be able to look at this list and kind of infer what you're talking about based on that. Now, I do have these as kind of quick bulleted points, but you can also include long form sentences or things like that. So either as you're working with someone or as you learn this information, you can add that into the personal details section. And Sam is going to be able to use that, like I said later. We'll dive into exactly how in a little bit.